Tutoni Singi Minister wa Ûkaria wa ndani na ubangania wa thirikari nene Profesa KINDIKI nariritie ukiri na mwishoni wa gagia na wamba ule wethiritwe muci wa Nairobi BUBU ishite nyuma ya wamba una ankinyagia akora konekana ntere mwanya cia muci uyu mekarika maria methiritwe makithina mbere nkinyagia muthenya akihariria onto uyu Minister KINDIKI augite ukiri no cokerete mucini uyu na ni nyuma ya mabicha ma Ûkaria guciicania Polo Kabithi na nteto tariria.
A few weeks ago, we had serious security concerns in our city, especially arising out of criminal gangs that were interrupting the businesses around the city, using firearms and others using knives.
Waziri wa Ûkaria bwendeni agakinyatwe Profesa KINDIKI orakire na ndiki bandeto muthenya gwe mthikurumanira na wagio Ûkaria burabu ithirito bwendere muciini wa Nairobi.
Deployed security officers across the city in all the areas that were affected by muggings and criminal activities. We also deployed both uniformed and non-uniformed security officers.
Na baguchwira ntubu kiboria.
We have not had reported crimes on especially around muggings and people being attacked using firearms and knives, and we decided to come and confirm from wananchi if this is true. So we have engaged with the citizens around the streets. They have told us that there is a lot of improvement, and I want to take this opportunity to thank our security forces in this city, to thank the entire government machinery in this city, the county commissioner, the regional commissioner, all the other officials of GAO, the DCCs, who are normally our chairs of sub-county, county, and even regional security and intelligence committees. We are very happy with what you have done.
KINDIKI akithiria botarongiro Ûkaria batiregeria rurigi.
All those of us in this town and in this country who are tempted to think that they can earn a living through crime, I want to firmly and unequivocally confirm and warn that crime does not pay. And that is why the government is doing whatever it takes to make sure that our citizens are protected from criminals. So we have come here to confirm the situation, and we are not leaving anytime soon. We will maintain presence in our streets throughout so that people can do businesses. Our women folk, our children, our fathers, our mothers can work and hustle and look for livelihoods.
Mbito ya KINDIKI kiri baraba kuigo batirekana na obinyangi obo.
Cannot surrender this city or this country to criminals. The government will not allow criminals to run roughshod on citizens. And I am asking all those who are still not converted, those who are still pursuing crime, they must stop immediately, because we are coming to you wherever you are. In this operation, this activity is not ending anytime soon. We want a peaceful country. We want wananchi to go about their businesses without fear of their lives and their property. And if you think you have enough weapons, you have enough tactics to counter government, I want to assure you that you have dialed the wrong number. We will be looking for you in your hideouts. In your hideouts. We will not even wait for you to attack people. We will preempt attacks. And I want to thank our
kuma mujini wa Nairobi nkiripotera Oru TV. Bito wa Paul Ogwa Kabithi.